Can perpetual motion machines exist? Thermodynamics explained. Imagine a machine that runs forever without needing any fuel or energy input. It keeps moving endlessly, doing work without ever stopping. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it actually possible? Let's explore what science says about this idea. Perpetual motion machines are devices that could operate forever without any external energy. They would produce work or motion continuously, without needing power. Many people have tried to create such machines, but none have succeeded. The reason lies in the fundamental laws of physics, especially the principles of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics, often called the energy conservation principle, tells us that energy cannot be created or destroyed in an isolated system. This means a machine cannot generate more energy than it consumes. If a machine claims to run forever without energy input, it would be breaking this law. It would be like saying you can get something for nothing, which is impossible according to science. The second law of thermodynamics introduces the idea of entropy, which measures disorder or energy dispersal in a system. It states that in any energy transfer or change, some energy becomes unavailable to do work. Usually, this energy is lost as heat. This law makes perpetual motion machines of the second kind impossible because they would need to convert heat into work without any energy loss. That goes against how heat naturally flows from hot to cold. There is also the idea of a perpetual motion machine of the third kind. This would be a machine that eliminates all friction and energy losses, so it could keep moving forever due to inertia. But in real life, removing all forms of energy loss is impossible. Friction, air resistance, and other dissipative forces always exist. These forces drain energy from the system, preventing perpetual motion. In summary, the laws of thermodynamics tell us that perpetual motion machines cannot exist. The first law prevents creating energy from nothing. The second law stops us from perfectly converting heat into work without losses. And in real systems, energy always leaks away through friction and other forces. So, while the idea of a machine that runs forever is fascinating, it remains a theoretical impossibility. All real energy systems depend on energy input and face inevitable losses. That's why perpetual motion machines are just a concept that defies the fundamental rules of how energy works in our universe.